Oh, swing off the pitching. Oh, that's beautifully done. It was in the air for just a little while, but placed beautifully by Gulfiroza to get herself going and get the first boundary.
It's not the right way.
Oh, what a shot. What a shot that is. Have a look at that for extra cover drive by Sidra Amin. We've been waiting for this. Oh, again. Through offside. Excellent.
More evidence of how prolific she is against pace. Sidra Amin.
Nice. That is gorgeous. Straight down the ground. They mean business. They're off to a good start, both of these openers. Again, good running. Very good running. Oh, is it taken? Oh, is it taken? If it is, it has to be the catch of the tour. If it is, and it is the captain one more time, Hayley Matthews, what a wonderful effort.
The bowler's end. But look at that. Oh my word, this is some athleticism and some anticipation. Could it be her night?
Yeah, that's a nice shot. Coming down the wicket and playing it straight through the line, realizing that mid-off is up in the circle.
Two people waiting for a catch at that particular space. Point and deep backward point. Losing wickets at the crunch moments and then suffering the loss of scoring rate. And this one is reverse swept and successfully executing that stroke. Getting 3 and Pakistan move on to 36 for 1.
Oh!
And this one is a great stroke. Use of the feet and going through with the hands. And I think this one has gone for a 6. Or no? And this one is a bit risky, but all good in the end. Will fetch Muniba another couple.
Oh, it's gone through. Short cover, just couldn't get that. Joseph, I think, will come back for 2.
There's an appeal. There is an appeal. Hold, says umpire. Let's get to third umpire and ask his opinion about it.
This can be really close.
Not just close, but very close, I think. It's closer enough to give her stump out.
Well, this is what pressure does to any player. 29 balls she has faced already. And we have the decision on the screen. She's out. Completely lost her balance.
Stop it!
Oh, good fielding. Good effort. Everyone chipping in with the field. She's disappointed. She's lying that mid-wicket area, I tell you. Ah, it's in the air, but over the head of the fielder. Lucky. As they come back for the second. There are first signs of aggression by Captain Dar. Oh, the head of extra cover fielder for a boundary. Well done. Now she sweeps. Exactly the opposite side of the shot that he played in the previous delivery. That's good cricket.
Inside out, in the air, it'll be safe. Just outside that 30-yard circle. Flat bats that for a single. Coming back for the second, that's good running. These are big boundaries. You got to realize there's always one more on the throw. Slog. She gets, oh, it's gone through. Very desperate effort down in the deep. Down the wicket, that's a good shot. Realizing mid-on is up in the circle. That's more like it. Muniba is leading the way for Pakistan here. She's played that high in the air. Chance and gone. Yeah, wasn't in control of that. Again, you call it a slog sweep. That's a big boundary there.
Now they're going for that slog sweep
And an amazing, brilliant running catch from Fraser. She judged it.
Deft touch. Runs.
Get it.
Just enough legs to get it over the rope. Oh, this is a good shout. The nod of the head and the finger's gone up.
Well, it was well bowled within the stumps, just a straight ball, and Alia missed the line. Nothing much.
Fighter in this innings. And that is half century for Muniba Ali. Her second 15 T20 internationals, and first against West Indies, first in Pakistan. Well played.
Polio, and I've got two very important people who are heading this vaccination campaign that is starting from tomorrow, 29th April. Dr. Shahzad and Irshad Beg alongside me.
जो पाकिस्तान में तादाद जो है वो 4 लाख तक जो है वो तादाद हो जाएगा अगर हमने हर बच्चे को वैक्सीनेट किया.
Yes, coming down way too early. The ball was far away and it just spun.
At some stage, it did feel that those gloves were in front of the stumps. If not all of them, some part definitely.
So it's the decision has been made. It's not out and it will be a no ball.
Catch it.
Repeats the shot. Another opportunity, a drop chance. It won't have mattered, by the way. Just a dot. She's got hold of that. Is it in the gap? Not quite. Wow, Joseph wasn't ready for that. It really surprised her.
Giving Pakistan 2 runs. Once again, she charges down. This time connects and the ball goes through fine leg. And will give Pakistan another couple. Another stumping this time, and the umpire very clear that this time the ball was collected behind the stumps. Muniba, after a very good knock of 55, she'll have to walk off. Trying to go big, she could not connect.
Long ball from Diana Baig. Falls in empty spaces on the onside. She's a fast runner. A couple more runs.
Can get Pakistan closer to 130. And this one has been struck powerfully, but straight to the fielder, Henry, and she completes a good catch.
But to go for the big shot, once again, going for that slog across the line from way outside the off stump.
Catch it.
Firm blow.
Keeper.
Come back for the second. Hayley Matthews is in good position. And I think we'll see that Pakistan has lost another wicket. Najeeha Alvi.
Here's the replay, and look at her positioning, and gone by a fair distance of the sort that they would have wanted to have. No big hits. In fact, a lot of wickets falling in clusters again.
We're waiting for the official confirmation, although the batters had made their way out, and West Indies are making their way out of the field now after doing the job superbly.